Okay, now that the plan portion of the process is done, we'll now move on to the slash task portion. So for that, we'll close all the existing open files, and we'll just start a new uh, chat session. Again, it's not necessary, but for purposes of this demo, I figure starting a new chat session where we start from fresh will help. So let's see. So now we do slash task. So again, the difference from before with the slash plan is the initial set of high-level tasks were defined. Now with the slash task command, the more detailed descriptions of the task will be fleshed out based off of the specification spec.md and plan.md and the constitution. All right. So with this, we're now going to build out a more detailed task plan. And for this, it's just slash tasks. Again, it's going to run one of the pre-installed scripts. So we'll say allow. Okay, and you can see it's beginning to read some of the documentation that's been created earlier in the process to understand what's the situation, how to proceed. Okay, so it says it'll create the task.md markdown file. So let's kind of take a look at that. So again, there was a starter set there, but now we have a more detailed breakdown. All right. Okay, add listeners. Okay, create the contract test. All right. All right. So it's contract test for the API, Echo API for the calculate API, create the model data classes. All right. Implement the Flask app and endpoints. Do integration tests, unit tests, logging, docs. All right. Service. Okay. Right. This seems. Alright, so let's just keep this and study this a bit more. Okay, I see the backend stuff. Flask app. Implementing the business logic. Model classes. Okay, the one thing I don't see is building the front end, the pages, and the CSS. Okay. All right, so all right, so let me ask the agent. Uh, what tasks builds the web page and CSS style? All right, so let's see what it says here. Fast forwarding video. Okay, all right, T007. No, no, okay, then, all right. It says, all right, so it's going to occur in T007. All right. All right. All right. All right. So we'll give this a shot. All right. All right. I think we'll just say stop here. Well, before we do that, let's see if there are any phase review checklists. No. All right. All right. So we can just say stop here. Okay. So let's commit this last set of changes. Commit the last set of changes. Fast forwarding video. All right. All right. So we've gotten the detailed task plan committed. All right. So we've all done the planning up to now. We've done the define the specification, define the plan or the technical environment for the application. We've gone through some high level and low level planning of the task. So at this point, we're now about ready to begin implementing.